Apple is planning to launch a bill splitting feature in iOS 27, and the company may introduce the feature as soon as next week in its Worldwide Developers Conference. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, users will be able to take a photo of a receipt, assign items on it to other people, and generate requests for payments. The payment service will be linked to the company's peer-to-peer payment system, Apple Cash, and will be available via its wallet app and within messages. Payment splitting will likely compete with peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo and Cash App, and marks Apple's latest venture into its financial services, which have been something of a mixed bag for the company. Apple has not been a Google player when it comes to payments and finances. While its Apple Wallet and Apple Pay features continue to grow in popularity, its Apple Card credit card, which launched in 2019, was not a strong performer for its banking partner Goldman Sachs. Earlier this year, Goldman reached a deal with JPMorgan Chase to take over its Apple Card business. And Apple's venture into the buy now, pay later marketplace was also short-lived, with the company discontinuing its Apple Pay Later program after less than a year. Apple is expected to unveil iOS 27 in WWDC on June 8th. The company is said to reveal which rumored features are actually hitting the software, along with Siri updates and more. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.